Hey, this is D Lively Photography. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to mount a tripod to the lowepro fastpak 350. Figured these out when I was hiking in Alaska. I just looked for a way to clip it on the bag, and these ended up working. So I'll be using a Manfrotto 055 X Pro V with a 488 RC2 head. And I got the Optech USA tripod strap. The first way to do it, if you still want access to the little flap on the side over here, just run, there's two straps at the top up here. What you do is you run this through here, and you just center the pad. Alright, just like that. It'll rest in there now. And all you do is you just take the tripod strap, put them back on the tripod, and there you go. They're basically set long ways across the bag, still allowing you access to get your camera out of the side. This is good if you want to take the camera in and out of your bag. The only problem is it's a little wide. I found when I was hiking I was running into trees and stuff with the top and the bottom. So I came up with this other way to do it. And it is totally out. With this next one, you won't be able to get to the side flap without removing the tripod. So this is only good really if you're going to carry your camera around, which I found it was more comfortable because the tripod didn't sway around, and I didn't really have a problem carrying my camera for long periods of time. So you just run the top string, top clip for the tripod, you just run it through the top, to allow the pad to rest on the side. You unbuckle this front flap and run the bottom strap through there, buckle it back down. Then you just take the tripod and flip it up. And now it rests on the side of the bag. Go ahead and put it on, show you what it looks like. Move the camera around, and there you go. So it's mounted on the side. It's good if you're hiking because it doesn't run into trees and get hung up on branches and stuff like that. It just hangs